আমার সঙ্গে পেয়ে গেছি রেডক কোম্পানি থেকে চিফ অফ বিজনেস স্ট্র্যাটেজি অফিসার মিস্টার সমর। Sir, welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
Sir, how are you finding Kolkata? Redoc has just shifted its headquarters from UK to India, and that too in Kolkata, and you're doing a great operations from Kolkata. So how are you finding Calcutta?
So to answer your question, I am born and brought up in Kolkata.
Acha.
So obviously I have that emotional and that kind of connect from birth. Now coming to the second point, I also love the UK, and for me, Redoc has become a very clean bridge between two countries that depict heritage, that depict diversity, culture, particularly a work-life balance. So Kolkata has always been the city of joy, and I'm all excited because company like Redoc moving its headquarters from the UK to Kolkata is preventing the brain drain that actually we were facing a long time back, and we are retaining those talents here, and we are exporting our services around the world. So more than that, I think the passion that this organization is carrying and the passion that our team in Kolkata is having right now has made this headquarter movement one of the most successful ventures for us.
Wonderful. So the headquarters movement have made the most successful ventures. So what do you want to say about this event? Redoc has collaborated with Bengal Chambers, and BITC 2025 is happening. What do you want to say, sir?
So I've been associated with Bengal Chambers on and off, for the last 5 years now. And what I believe that, the kind of initiative that these chambers of commerce are doing and taking Bengal out of the borders of Bengal and making people understand that how Bengal is relevant. And rather, the whole theme about these events of sustainability. So I am seeing over the years, the Bengal Chambers has also evolved, from transactional theory of technology to a more sustainable, and sustainability concepts moving ahead. Also, the kind of organizations who have started partnering with the Bengal Chambers have also started, redoing their entire strategy of information technology, of sustainability, of CSR. So it's all the more exciting to be, an organization which is working with a sustainable organization. And Redoc also values sustainability in information technology. Again, the only word I can use here is that we are excited, and we look forward to, this is the 16th edition. So we would look forward to the 17th, 18th, 20th editions also going ahead. So I'm looking at a strategic partnership, and I'm very excited to be one of the speakers of this event today.
Yeah, I'm also looking forward for your session which you are having. So রেডকের একটা সেশন হতে চলেছে কিছুক্ষণের মধ্যে। তো তারা জানবো যে তারা কি কি কাজ করছে কলকাতা থেকে এবং তাদের কোম্পানিটা কি নিয়ে। তো স্যারকে ছেড়ে দিই, স্যার প্রচন্ড ব্যস্ত। স্যার, থ্যাংক ইউ সো মাচ।
Thank you so much. Namaskar. Thank you.
নমস্কার।
Thank you.